Alright, then me dey live now. Chelsea come. So while me dey live, me gonna tell you this guys. Me say today me have do my fried chicken video and me use baking powder upon it. So every now and again me use the baking powder, but I just buy it. If you look upon it, you say new, I just pull it, right, and use it in the flour for do the fried chicken. Anyhow, just to go upon my live. Go upon my YouTube live. See if I can go upon my YouTube live. See if I can connect to it. So I put this in the flour. Anyway, I'm gonna put the chicken in the pot. The chicken end up start burn fast. But you me dey live, me can't answer nothing. I just have to do there play it off. Anyway, I'm done fry my chicken then. I try, I turn on the stove and try and work with it. Cause you know as a cook you have to try yeah. You have to say if you can't find me now, you have to try for correct what go on with you. Anyway, the live done. We start. Munch want know how to fix it. Oh, you find it? Anyway, you know you have to try to play it off and you have to act right and get shit done. So I still end up go through, I turn on the stove, end up get through the frying of chicken, but I wasn't pleased because the color was not as nice as I want it to be. Right? So I'm going to on that. Anyway, I'm come off alive now. I have some fried dumpling where I need up already. So I say, I'm going to fry them dumpling there. I'm going to fry the dumpling. When I did start try fry the dumpling now, the dumpling them start burn. I never burn chicken yet. I never burn dumpling yet. So, I just say no man, something wrong. And the only thing that different when I use are the baking powder. So I'm go check the baking powder. When I check the baking powder, I see double action. And I'm like, what the fuck? I didn't even know say baking powder come with double action. So, let me tell you this. Sometime in your life, you have to be careful. Come go a shop, pick up your baking powder, and never realize that you have double action baking powder. Turn on that phone because me talk and not bother me. Yeah. So, I'm go again. We dey pan live fried chicken today. Well, I fry chicken start burn up. Me curious. I wonder how the chicken are burn up. And you dey pan live and you know that embarrassing. To see I do something pan live where you normally do and get it correct. And the one time you go pan live, say I go do the fried chicken pan live, the chicken start burn. Anyway, you know me if I play it off, so I just play it off and take time out of it. I have to turn on the stove low. Come here, I wonder, that I've never experienced that before. Shit. Anyway, I come off alive, I come off stress. I end up get through it though. I end up fry my chicken and get through that part. Which I was so fucking glad because I'm like, this is embarrassing. This is embarrassing. I play it off, nobody don't know. Then me I tell you no. Come off a talk. Sometimes we have to just let it out. So now me I tell you no. I'm say, I start fry the dumpling them start burn up too. What sort of fuck this? The chicken a burn up? Dumpling a burn up? I'm from Jamaica. Yeah, so I go check. I start fry the dumpling, then the dumpling them I do the same thing. I say no, something wrong. The only thing I'm using at the dumpling, I'm in America now, but I'm from Jamaica. The only thing I'm using at dumpling, I'm using a fried chicken at the baking powder. So I'm run go look pan it. When me look pan it, double action acting baking powder. Tin with is strong as hell. So I have to just go back and start fry the dumpling them and I have to make them flat. Me have to flat them right out and then start fry them, and I saw them kind of come out. But that was an embarrassment. So me have to do them flat. I'm a fried chicken expert, I'm a dumpling expert, but that was that was something else. My daughter fasting on business. But yeah. Can you say
Don't say it.
why?
Can you know what I mean?
No, me can't say. Hey, sometimes some weird people come on live, you know. Why you want me if you say something? I look at things just put me on camera that really go say what me not say. It's I. Me not believe. Look for Chelsea. Look for this word. Merhab. Where are you from? Where are you from?
I mean, I know for you.
Okay, I'm sorry. Sorry. Meramba. Meramba.
Where you come from?
I don't know.
Okay.
Oh, I'm Turkish.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello.
The last time I came on live, there were some weird people on the live, so I have to be mindful what I'm saying and doing. So sorry about that, but did I get it correct?
Marhaba.
Maraba. Maraba.
Yeah, I got you.
Okay. Hi. I'm Jamaican. Wagwan. You know what that mean? Wagwan. Yes. Oh. Let me know if you know what that mean. Wagwan. My sister. You see the time of day and she just a make bed 5:28 and my sister just a make her bed. You believe that, guys? I'm showing them a logo. This is my logo. It's Magic Finger Meal. And it's Magic Finger Approve. Come in, tap the live, guys. Like the live and come in and chat with me. We not do nothing really much, but we're just there. We're just there. Tap the live, guys. Munchu can tap like when they're on TikTok. We'll show them my ear pran. I don't know what them free left for, but this was the only place where I say I make ear pran where my life or them logo look when I look on the reviews. The logo just perfect. So even though I didn't like the frill, I like this. And I think that this made it worth it. Look on it. Logo just perfect. I haven't washed it yet, so I'm gonna know. But yeah. Perfect. And then this now just cinch in the waist. And then you get that little. And then now yes, adjustable. Not that nobody asks, but I have to keep the life going. And my hair, it ball and peel out and picky. Well, not peel out, but it kind of picky. Because from January, I cut it and it no one grow. So, I was just telling you guys about my disaster a while ago. Show them sister just make her bed. We are about no. Sorry. 5:30 and she just make her bed 5:30. Isn't that terrible? I don't know. I don't know what the no mean. Eh? In my bed? Okay. So Dark King, you gone? Are you still here? Would I drink some green plant porridge or some American? Let's see if I can melt some butter and I have this, what I don't know if you're using. I don't remember. Vinegar, salt and vinegar. It's have a chicken wing or something for make up sauce. But I don't know if I like the vinegar taste. But I'd rather do some lemon pepper. My oh my oh my. God is good. My sister said something just set up the live and leave it. I don't know what she mean. Hold on. I gotta add some sauce on the chicken. I don't know if I like that sauce. Everybody say good for wing. But I don't know. Taste it. Ah. But I think it's like spicy. It's a buffalo. It's not really spicy. And then we have a fried dumpling. Why may I expect so much more from this sauce? I see them recommend it on the internet. I say I want to try it. Because some stay in it, I see something that look nice, I want to try it. But I was expecting it to be more spicy. It's okay, but not hot. We have the Jamaican pepper too. We'll try that. And we have the honey. I always like honey. I'll try the Jamaican pepper. And spice. You say Munchi, we do anything right now, right? You Munchi? I always tell them say Jamaica have the best food. Eh? Pepper. It's a sweet sauce. It's a Jamaican sauce. We have the foreign sauce. Mm? Yeah. That's why this is money in a one line. Jamaica the best, man. And then we have some carrot and beetroot juice. Carrot and beetroot. This juice is so nice. So we will go with the spice, guys. Ah. Mm-hmm. Chelsea. Take time. I take time. Food nice. I know spoil. You should try crushed pepper sauce. Me? Me? No. It's too hot. Beetroot and carrot juice. Woo. One thing when I eat pepper, I try to make it catch your lip. If I find out if you turn up your lip then, and I make the pepper catch your lip. But we're not trying to crush pepper. Mad? Make you want to kill me off. Mm-hmm. Right? It's hot enough. This light, I tried this, but this light, it not taste like pepper. This light, bad. Well, she started on WhatsApp with me. That's why I hear the echo. And she just watch me on live. I have the little black pepper. That's hot. I cook it up, but when I cook it up, my face take off a little toops. You can, yeah. Yeah, it no parts up, because I echo. And just stay with me. Stay with me now. Well, I'm coming here. Come in the comment section. That's what we do. So see. When you see I tap the live, you just turn on the live. Not sure which one you're talking. Oh, this. When you see it all over TikTok, so I try it. So I buy it. I'm going to go buy the big bucket too, you know, but it's not hot. Light. Salt and vinegar. Oh, you that hear myself? This one pack. I get it from somebody to try, but I'm afraid. It's a salt and vinegar. So I don't melt some butter and add it to it, but me I say, it come in a powder form, you know, but you know it can go pan. You ever eat the salt and vinegar chip set? You have it in a Lay's. The same taste it have come and taste it. But yeah. I'm gonna feel it. Okay. So it tastes exactly. It's like a pepper lover and I'm just like, you know, just a light tops. But when I fry chicken, I don't put pepper on the chicken because it turns the chicken black. When I put the hot pepper sauce on the chicken before I fry it, it turns the chicken black quick. But yeah. Where you from? Just be. Where are you from? Ooh. Alright, I know you're Jamaican. Well, I bet you chop that means you're Jamaican. One green scotchy. Yeah, if I have green scotchy, I come up from Jamaica with some scotch bonnet pepper. So I only have maybe 3 left. I can't waste it in a nothing. You have to serve it, save it. I'm not a YouTube girl, you know. I'm a TikTok girl. I love TikTok. I like the people on TikTok, but I need to get over YouTube. I can't just have a page where I used to. I want to get familiar with YouTube. So, decided that today is the day. So I come over here, I show my fried chicken skill, and my chicken them spoil for me. But when I on the live, I don't tell nobody, I just play it off. I'm going like everything alright. When I come off the live now, I say, my fry my dumpling them start burn up too. I'm like, no, something alright. The only thing I'm using for the dumpling and the chicken is the baking powder. When I look at double action baking powder, I say, you know what, I use too much. So. Them have pepper in America and them say, they say it's scotch bonnet pepper, but it's not scotch bonnet pepper. It don't have the aroma, it don't have the taste, nothing. Not a scotch bonnet pepper. Them just label it that way there so people buy it. That's scotch bonnet pepper. Boy, I don't know what I feel lucky if you find somewhere kinda hot. It's not hot, but it kinda hot. But it not smell nothing, it not give the flavor, it not give nothing. Why I miss my country, see? Yeah. Mr. Jamaican by art. I can't sell out, never sell out. So everything about my country just different. Everything. I love Jamaica, man. This man, I see somebody put up on them page about them day in Jamaica. They bone me, I don't know. They respect that man of Jamaica for true. Bad, bad. You don't know about some people. I'm going to Jamaica, I just want everything at Jamaica. Guys, like, I miss everything. The last time I go along, every day I eat mango every single day. East Indian mango, because East Indian mango is my favorite mango. Wow. Can I say the pepper light? Light? And when I come back from Jamaica, I try to bring everything. Georgia late. I miss nothing. And piece of disaster reached me over here. But I don't make nobody do. I just play it off. Not a big mango person. But I have 2, 3. Really? I love mango. Oh, you're working? You can just go and stay up on the line. Nothing wrong. We know it's going on. We have to work. We have to work if you can't get paid. And our bills have to pay. Especially if you're in America. Or you could eat now and do nothing. But you know, oh, you know, to be a mango person. I love mango. East Indian mango. When I time in the mango, I bite in the mango. Oh, that means saying Jamaica different, man. When I there in Jamaica, I never say I no work. But I find something if I just make money, that's me can spend most of my time in my yard. That means to do when I there in Jamaica. I used to buy and sell clothes. But how I used to do it, I give people my clothes them. Like give them out, like trust out the clothes them, and then go up on weekend go collect the money. So I don't have to do much. So weekend time I just go collect something. I usually just take with them have. I don't stress them, you know? But I just tell them if I just have something, I care small it be. So I used to just trust the clothes them and then go pick up my money. And then I have some taxi on the road too. So I there in Jamaica, it was way better. I come a friend now, everything different. I try to go back in a business when I come a friend, but when the people that call me and them now get them goods, I can't bother with that. Because I'm in a big company, I'm a small big company. And you know what people do too? Then we get the goods, you know, because I realize that people do. Them get the product and then them report it so them don't collect it. Stressing? Why? Police? 6 years ago, I thought about, you know, 6, 7 years ago. Well, more than that, because I come here 6 years ago and I did do it before. So I would say maybe like 10 years ago. I don't know it good now. I don't know it good now. And then now, I didn't know a couple of police too, so that did help me. But a couple years ago, okay, I took me there for him 6 years ago into 7 years now. And that was before I migrate. But I know the police them can be disturbing. But they have good taxi man. But they have a fuck up taxi man. And then him now, they have a good taxi man. So him, but he find one for my own and then the other taxi boy get somebody for me. So he was a good youth. I don't know if you know Hershey. Which part you come from? Which part of Jamaica you come from? Want more? Oh, they probably know him. I don't know. I'm used to in a party, but I'm used to run taxi. Good youth. I love that boy that to bed. Very rare urge tell me nothing about no police and money. Friday mornings when my money come give me or Saturday. Sometimes Sunday. I remember I used to rush him because I'm nice. But him not call me, very rare him call me about police. And baga story. Oh. And when it come on to, like, if something wrong with my car, my father a mechanic, so it used to work out for me, but I know enough people say it don't work out for them. Only one time I remember I go buy one old car. My father buy one old car. Every minute the car broke down. But try to fix it, but I did get tired of it, so I have to get rid of it. But if it not work out for you, sell them. And when me come a foreign and go back down, I sell my vehicle them. Because when me just come a foreign, I never come for stay, you know. I never come to America for stay, but come for visit and end up stay. So I end up now when I get through with my papers then, that's when I go out and go sell. But I think if you try something like now work for you, just leave it alone, because you can't just lose. Oh yeah, go and try. Okay, can do that too. When the taxi man them a telephone, get a different taxi man. Take your car. Because when them say, when them tell you that and you're just okay with it, you might continue to do it. Okay. When I go back, I just sell my car in my car. I need to try to make people run my car while I'm there friend. But baby, you know that go, that no work. That no work, because Jamaican people go like say, no, they want money more than anybody else. So that never work out at all. The cure you want just people at Jamaica afraid. Because too, everybody want money. Make it hard. But Jaja, you say late. So that means say you know me upon YouTube, TikTok? Or you know me over here? Nobody that's not about my bone. I love bone. No, but probably I know that name, yeah. Like when you say yes girl, or it come like so. Tell me who may I talk to. Tell me your name on TikTok. Every time I go shock. Oh, a cutie? No, I can't cutie live at Jamaica. God, bless child. God of God. Oh, Gigi. Okay. But my mom don't know your name. My mom don't know that name upon TikTok. We never come on the TikTok. Why not do that? Why not change up the name for different platform? You need to give yourself one name and like use the same photo. You know what I mean there? But big up yourself and thanks for coming. I come on live already and done the live and come back. Big up yourself. Yes, so that person that talk to me like, you know, that's somebody when me know. I want that Georgia, we would never guess it. Remember when we were younger, we used to have chicken back and I don't know if they used to do it at the school where I used to go. Chicken back and dumpling in a bag. You know about that? I just remember that. And then them squeeze the ketchup in the bag with the chicken back and dumpling. It used to nice too, you know, 'cause you know what them do? Put sugar in the ketchup. So it make it sweet. Couple years back that just all my daughter not enjoy for her school years, you know, because they not do that now. Them not do them sitting there now, you know. Chicken back in a bag with fried dumpling. And them full it of, and you know how much sugar them put in there one man, you know, come to school early. When them the woman them fix up the food. And we should take the ketchup bottle, because we used to buy the gallon bottle of ketchup. And then my sister start pour the sugar in the bottle. And then she shake it up and say rat it, and them add water to it too. So them add sugar and water in the bottle. So them pour out some of it, add sugar and water in a gallon bottle, then shake it up. So that make it nice. Chicken back with the ketchup only. No man, them used to do it with fried dumpling at school. Which one me did them? Even though we'd have to buy the fried dumpling. Because them used to do the chicken back. And them used to, I don't know if I had the white bag them used to put. You know them little white bag there? And they will add dumplings to it. Them time they food cheap, you know. Them time there, we don't have for money before lunchtime, because early morning that, you know. So why every time I remember how I used to do when I was young guy, it's crazy. From me go school, I start spend my money. Right, the white little bag. I am chop it up and fling it in a bag and drop the ketchup and then have to buy a dumpling. Every morning I used to name off my money, and when lunchtime come, because my sister class go name out for her food. Yeah. And my sister, if she knows me come early, she left food because she know me I come. She know what I do. Every single morning, I spend half my money. I buy cheese strip, I buy sweetie, and play Chinese skip. And Danny Shandy me used to play, girl. Danny Shandy, when you check me the other day, froze like a dog. Danny Shandy me used to love. Girl, when you look at all my white blouse black, the arm them stiff. The things I used to do when I was younger. Yeah, because when my mother used to tell me to wash a weekend time, I just dip the clothes in the water and take it up back and put it on the line. I don't care if she beat me if I wash them, I not wash them. I used to eat wash. I still eat wash. So, when you see all my blouse them stiff and them scar, when the iron touch it in up, boy, I don't know if I don't experience them something. When the iron touch your blouse it stinky, frozy. And the scent just have lift up when the iron catch it, you know. Jesus me. My school days was something. Well, I enjoy it. Because one thing with me, I couldn't wait to go to school because my mother used to cook me up in our house. So our school, when we go to school, are you an 80s baby? Yeah. Yeah. Yep. 85. So, me used to glad when time at school time, because that's the only time I get for ramp. Every morning I ramp. Every lunch breaks time I ramp. Every lunch time I ramp. Every go home time I ramp. Ramp, 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 ramp. So I enjoy my childhood. My daughter don't know not about them sitting there. Best, best, best. They may people enjoy them lifetime. I may have so much memories. So much memories. I don't think my daughter experienced them kind of something, yeah? But sorry for them. Cause now them don't know about Chinese. Keep not them no know. Down phone. Right now she upstairs and she don't even come downstairs more time. I mean I say look at that. She don't even come down to say yo. You don't know nothing. For go outside. We as we go home. We just want to take off her clothes out the door with their ramp. Nothing she don't know about outside. In her house. Every single day. You know skip? We never say skip. You know Chinese skip? We know what Chinese skip. She don't want to talk about she know Chinese skip. Alright, you know bump and wall? You know bump and wall? What the other one? Georgia, what the one we know? I watch like a cartoon. Them cartoon ain't nice neither. What the one we used to throw up the ball? Jacks? We used to have the little star looking thing and they would throw up the ball and take up one, take up two. Yeah, I think I Jack's the name. Them people ain't know nothing. Phone. Wait name. Oh, you see you don't know bump and wall. You don't know nothing. We will buy the last kit them and we bump on the wall and when it drop over the next one we collect them people them money. And I think I used to dollar we used to use. We used to play for money with bump and wall. All them foolishness there. Girl, I don't know if you used to do this. Georgia. When you go to school and you play dandy shandy, you take a skirt and put it up in your draw sides or your short side. So you can do your cock up. You take it and fold it out with baggy or short side. Hopscotch. Yeah man, me love yeah, the one of them me play. But Dandy Shandy was my favorite. Oh girl. Cock up. If I could turn back those times. When we younger, we not care in the world. No care. Oh, get older now. Everything. Ah, God. What else we used to play? When we were little? We have jacks, hopscotch, bump and wall, dandy shandy. Netball I did for the bigger girl. Whenever two. What else we used to play? And then at Christmas time, then come out of the schoolyard with all kind of sitting for sale. And we are buying now. We are buying all balloon. I don't see, yeah. You remember them used to have the balloon where you have to pick your choice? Sometimes we get so little. He used to burn me. When we get a little balloon there, we have to go again. Thief, you know. Come on, school gate with thief, pick them. Girl, one more thing I want to ask you about. Tamarind ball. I don't know if I used to do this. So when we put the tamarind ball in our bag, we used to rub it up so. I make it get white. I don't know if you used to do that. And then the sugar melt, catch you get hot between your hand and it just get white. Nice, boy. I need back those days. Those were the days. Them time ain't nice now. Chicken and bread. And we used to have stew peas. We'd have tamarind tree in my yard. That means I experienced that part there. Every foolishness them carry school gate come selling. Every foolishness. A Christmas time, you remember the little dolly them? Every minute me buy the little marker dolly them, you know, me have to hide them from my mother. Cause she said we don't buy nothing. I would there at school I buy all kind of sitting. More stammering so you have a dash sugar in it. Oh God. You know how much lick me get to go my daytime when me go my daytime? And the cure me get lick me do the same thing. Dan dish and me have to play. Sometimes I now watch the time. And time go upon me and when me reach home me late. Gets rotted lick. At them time that we now watch if we say, alright, we are watch the time. And we go just go home certain time. Would I more watch the sun? When you look time gone. This rotted. And one more thing we never have in our biosphere. Never a biosphere yet. Me if you hide under the seat when the doctors them a pass. Some things I do, you see. Sometimes I'll take the wrong bus and the bus carry me got all part of one place. Girl. Then pick there now I get school bus or taxi. That experience are rotted. Cause then the one mother for work, will pick you up. She not have money for go say, yeah. Me not a choice. A ramping take me over now. Yes, and elastic band. Yeah, we used to buy elastic band by the bungle. Them used to sell it by the bungle. Was it 20 or 10? Them didn't know if to take with money. Every foolish. The dolly them, every minute me buy dolly. Every minute. Every minute. Them do it. But that school low man. Take with the whole of the money. Oh God. We have some nice days. Some nice days. Tell you the truth. You some with my dirty hand in my head. Bad to bad, yeah. You have some nice days. And every time I think about them days there, I laugh because we can't get it back. We'll never get back those times. And the times that we get now, them not nice like back then. Right now, every day I just scoop up in my house, scoop up in my house. Even though I blame that pan foreign. When I go to Jamaica, I try to do the most because I love my country, you know. Foreign, not go on for foreign. Foreign, I eat that place. Best I eat that place. Them have one place down the road from my name, Castle Island. Every day I see I go down there and turn on my life because that is a scene. That is something I would love to make you see. I don't know if it's still says so though. That is the next year because about 5 years ago I go down there. Also, I must remember house phone. I must remember house phone. The one where you dial so, and then they coming back with the other button press one. Oh God. Those were the days, my girl. Oh God. Gigi, me would have go back. Me would have go back in time because I'm not lie. I used to enjoy myself. Schoolwork. So me I do schoolwork, ramping. I do no schoolwork. And the funniest thing, me used to get good grades. We used to get good grades in a school. Don't ask me how. Because all up on my brain a ramp. All used to up on my head a ramping. Me all stuff Danish on the box from me in a class. And my boyfriend come look for me only Sunday daytime. You lucky you have boyfriend. My mother never make me even go at the gate. Unlike if she not there, we stand up at the gate. And when we see she come run go in because she have to come run one corner before she come in. They were like, well, I did love school for the ramping and the buying of food and playing the game, but like school and bookwork, I couldn't wait for lunchtime for go ramp. Why? I couldn't wait. As I tell you, I don't know me get good grades. I don't know Oh, me get good grades. I used to hide. I used to go to school every day. I used to hide. I used to hide from school because school was my getaway. School was my getaway. Get away from prison because my yard was prison. So school was my little getaway. Yeah, me just never like class. Me go, but me never like it. Me ever pray for class done. And me always in a first and second. When me just go, used to go primary school, me did a second bright until me go up to first bright. And then me just stay in a first bright. Because I used to get good grades. Good grades. I mean, I don't know work. I used to always do my homework. I used to like get homework. And every time I go home, I do my homework. So I'm really good with that part. But I think we just did do it because I have to do it. Not because I wanted to. You know what I mean? You just do something because you have to do it. So that was school for me. And me tell everybody this now. Like, me don't want to see no more school. Yeah, man, used to get all beaten. I don't know if you used to get beaten like we get beaten with hose. You ever feel a hose lick or an electric wire lick? They sit there with what mother used to beat you with. For what I don't know, call them something right. I don't get beaten from my father neither. But the father never lived with me. My father never lived with me, so I can't even complain. I am mother discipline you. So, but I never get beaten from my father neither. I don't know manly feel. I don't know manly feel up to now. And that's why I tell people this. I could have never accept a beating from a man right now. Well, you see, you get belt. Hose. I don't know if you ever feel hose lick. When you get one out of your whine, like literally whine. Gotcha. And then now the teacher, one teacher would have boy have tire. Tire for beat people with me. No, know who would have fool him. Oh, you live with both parents, that nice. Jamaican father not too beat, but the mother beat you like a movie star and chew evil. Evil. Cause why you that beat Pitney with hose? I don't know. Jess, I don't know if it what your name? Just be. I don't know if you ever feel hose lick yet. I don't know who ever feel that yet, but I tell you. Papa. Stupidness. The hose lick never nice. The hose lick never nice. And let me tell you, when me younger, me used to afraid of lick. I don't know if my big sister is afraid of licking no card. No care my mother tell her no to do, she do, you know. Guys, if you don't tap the live, there's a like button at the top of the screen. Wanna tap it. Please and thank you. I don't know if you can share the live or tap up the live like TikTok, but if you can do that for me. Remember, I'm new to YouTube live, so you know help me out over here. But as I say, what did I say a while ago? As a boy, when you're little and bad, you know all farmer beating material. Anything close, you know. I reach you. Achoo. But my mother's specialty was the hose. When you see she cut off that thing all over eye, then she got cut off piece more. As me that say, I don't know if my sister is afraid of liquor. No care my mother tell her don't leave the yard. She gone. All me used to ball and beg her no go come and know she gonna get beaten or lock out and she still a go. Toban, me now. I'm afraid of lick me. I turn in my yard. I'm afraid of lick. That's why I'm telling you, so I couldn't take a man lick now. Because, baby, too scared of beating. Literally scared of beating. Can't take a lick from a soul. I don't even like when people look at me too hard. Me get enough lick with you serve me for a lifetime. So, yeah, that. Ah, of course, no. Alright, man, I say we're not supposed to get no beaten, but them the what them I beat people with is rubbish. Then they what them take up and I beat people with, them need to stop it. Them need to cut it out. Well, I don't know if that I go on now, cause come like them pitney and nowadays we stand up and fight them. Cause the way them are pitney and stay, I mean I think it happen now. But somehow we need to get beaten, but them something they ridiculous. We did forget lick. Yeah. Cause remember I'm telling you, when me the young and I go school, I could help Dan for, and that was my mother problem. Come home late, because I used to play the dandition there. I don't understand the time. Well, I understand time, but we don't have no watch. We just a ramp. When ramping sweetie, I really penny too much. And then me go to school downtown. And me live all the way at Augustown. So imagine now you stay at school late, and by the time you reach at the bus stop, you have to wait on the bus, and then we have a long journey, and then in the evening a bare traffic. So sometimes at night catch me, you know what? Anytime I see that it a dark up, them time I start fretting up, because I know me gonna get a beating. Exactly. I saw the pin them stay now, them not take no talk. Them not take no talk. Me somebody have a finger here rotten, I know we are going to different foolishness, but that finger here rotten, not rotten. May I exaggerate. Anyway, the finger that give me a rough time. I'm going to go to doctor 2 times for the finger, and them give me something and it still never work. Every time it work, it just get back bad. And the last time I go and then give me something and the finger just come right back. I just feel happy every time I look on it. It make me happy. Yeah, the girl them a fight them mama and papa too. The girl them a fight them parents too. Whitlaw? I don't think of Whitlaw. I don't think of Whitlaw because I never used to go in the water. I tell you already, I don't like washing. But I go do my nails at one shop. I end up stop go to the shop. I used to go to one nail shop go do my nail. And she clipped me with the nipper. But I not paying no mind. I just come home, put some alcohol on it and just forget about it. About like a month after, I see the finger start paying me, like it feel funny. So I start cleaning it up now and say, maybe I never paid too much attention. So when I go back now, I tell her so she mess up my finger, but I still go back to the shop, go continue do my finger. So I start watching her now and I realize, say, they don't clean the stuff them properly, right? So some of the time I look and I see a dirty file and dirty this, dirty that. So I not go back. So that mess up my finger. I stop go to the shop there. I love nails, I love nails bad. But the last time one of my finger them bust, when they have on the nails, I think of this one. And I tell you, so I couldn't sleep in the night. The night I go on my bed and in my sleep, it's like pain lick me. So I have to get up, take off the nail polish, because it look like I think it did lick up the day. I never think it's so bad. So it bust under the false nail and did it. And it couldn't breathe. In my head, I say I breathe, it couldn't breathe. So in my sleep, it just licked me, pain just licked me. So I have to get up and go take it off. And from that, when I put it on back yet. Because somebody said I wait 3 weeks to make it heal properly before I put on back the nails. But me's a nail girl, I love nails. But not really much about the ear. I don't care too much about the ear because when I go on, I just drop on a week. I have a couple of weeks. So when I go about my business, I just drop on a week. So I don't really pay too much about the ear. But the nails, I love get them done. But my daughter said she love it short. So we just go on work with it. Cause if I stop wearing nails, and no problem, you know, cause nails expensive now. To do nails very expensive. So anytime we can hold back, we have to hold back. But yeah, if you don't see me do it by next week, I just go and beat it so for a while until I feel like I want to go do it. You know, but I want somebody to braid my ear. But I don't know who that braid my ear I find. Well, if you braid it good. That's what I would want. Some small braid in my ear for the summer. Anyway, I'm glad for soon. I'm glad when you come support me because we need start the live on YouTube a little more so we can get my watch time up because I keep doing live on TikTok and that not benefit me no way, shape or form. Cause remember my page already built on TikTok. So I need to start doing live them on YouTube. All if I want somebody over here with me, I gotta start doing live them on YouTube and no business. Yeah, I have to do what benefit me at this point. But Gigi, big up yourself. Thanks for coming. Thanks to show up and show out. Couple of them did over here earlier, but then them go away because somebody come off of the live. And just big up yourself too. Big up yourself. Thanks for joining. Thanks for staying. You know. So I'll probably go up on TikTok about 9 o'clock tonight. Maybe, maybe not. Depends on how I feel. You don't get paid when you live on TikTok. No. If somebody send you a gift, my live people not send me gift. If you notice my live, I don't know if you always come for my live, so yeah, nothing really going for me. I'm gonna really beg the people them neither, cause honestly, time hard, you know. More want people gift me if them think me deserve it. If they don't think me deserve it, me can't force them. So I just come on live and just build vibes and then go about my business, you know. Yeah. Some people get paid upon it, like when them do them match or battle or get them gifts and something. But TikTok itself not pay you. Hi. You get paid for posts. I have to get enough views to get paid. Enough qualified view. Because sometimes people just stop on your live and go about them business. Them not consider that qualified views. Person have to sit down and watch it for at least I think 5 seconds. And when them watch it for 5 seconds, they only get 10% of whatever it is that they claim they might charge for the video. Sometimes for the 1 minute video a couple cents. And imagine 10% a couple cents. Zinc. Yeah, but can't watch that. And a long time I do content creating, you know. But some people look come better than some. Cause that is my problem with my food page. People don't really support me the way they should. Them will compare every day and them watch every day and them gone, but them business them not like, them not repost, them not share, them not do nothing. I mean eat that with people, but what I gotta do? I left them do what I do. And you do what I do. Focus. So right now my laser focus. I'm not pay them no mind. Right now, my laser focus. And the next thing again, Jamaican views. I don't know if Jamaican views count. Maybe not. So that's how I'm going to go wrong. For market to the Jamaican people in because if you're in America, yeah, just as say welcome, yeah. But I appreciate you guys. Appreciate the little things. Sometimes when you don't understand, just the small things matter. Anyway, I'm gonna clean up my kitchen now. And me soon have a TikTok if I come on later. So well, I say the same thing like I was saying on TikTok. It takes nothing to be kind, so spread some kindness whenever you guys can. No matter how small, it not have to be money. It can be anything. Just have a good vibes. Keep it up. Yeah, man. Thanks. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. And take care. See you guys later. I want to stay blessed. Stay blessed. Big up on yourself. Let me see if me know if I lock off this live now.